I'm Julian Sanders, and this is the Spark Compact Brewing System. Everything that we do at Spark is focused on supporting people who brew beer rather than buy it. Our technology and our services are all in aid of brewing and serving on site. We facilitate grain to glass, tank to tap brewing. This compact machine is world leading in its small footprint, its robustness, and how easy and simple it is to install and to use. It allows precise and repeatable high quality beer. To allow the minimum footprint possible, these machines mash in the lower vessel, you transfer slurry to the top vessel, lauter and sparge, and then boil and whirlpool in the lower vessel again. Everything about these machines is designed for good ergonomics so that you can relax and focus on the quality of the process and the beer without having to work around something that's awkward and poorly designed. They're real brewers' brew houses. The grain hatch just above shoulder height makes it very easy and convenient to grain out into a box. And the engineering detail of the fittings and the hardware and the quality of materials comes down on these machines from our large, more expensive manufacturing breweries. A good example is the brass bush on the spinner handle. These are bulletproof, robust, professional brewing systems in their first year as well as in their 10th year. They'll still be making precise and repeatable good beer, and they'll be a solid asset on your balance sheet. The kettle heating jacket is powerful and gentle. The recirculated heating fluid is low pressure, so it gives you the benefits of steam without the need for a steam boiler or the expensive and dangerous steam network. It lets you step mash for precision of any style of beer that you'd like. And there's no electric elements in the kettle, so you have no scorching, no additional kettle character, and there's nothing to get in the way of a really smooth, powerful whirlpool. The whirlpool hopping character that you can achieve with this machine is second to none. The integrated CIP system has slotted spinning spray balls and allows complete and easy cleaning with recirculation of caustic, rinsing and sanitizing. Spark's digital control system with large touchscreens gives you an overview of everything that's happening and controls the fermentation cold side as well as the brew house hot side. It lets you review and control the system by Wi-Fi network on site anywhere and remotely from off-site. We have a good reputation, for good reason, for very close customer support to make sure that people who use our equipment have very good beer and very strong businesses. Because this machine is designed from scratch to be as compact as possible and to make as much beer as fast as possible, the heat exchanger is a two-stage system with glycol and tap water. This avoids the requirement for a cold liquor tun. In the same way, hot liquor is supplied by instantaneous water heating, so you don't need a hot liquor tun. Taking out any need for hot and cold liquor tuns minimises the footprint of the brewing system, and it reduces the amount of capital that you need to spend. Professional brewing operations requires compliance with national safety standards for electrical and pressure vessels. Spark provides that, which ensures that you're work cover compliant and your insurance is valid, as well as a bank or a finance company respecting this as a proper productive asset. Spark fermentation vessels are a CCV uni-tank, so you can use them as bright tanks or as fermenters. They have a triple jacket design that has a dimple jacket for glycol recirculation and then an industry-leading 80 millimeters of polyurethane insulation. They're national pressure vessel standard compliant, and they have a 6-inch dry hop port on top with ladder hooks, an adjustable racking arm with a sanitary threaded fitting so that you don't have problems with tri-clamps dropping batches of beer on your feet, a Zwickel sample tap and spunding valve for adjustable CO2 pressure so that you can naturally carbonate beer in tank, as well as 2 snorkels, one for CO2 egress and one for slotted spinning spray ball clean in place. The Spark compact brewing systems are built in 5 hectolitre and 10 hectolitre sizes, a K5 and a K10. The K5 is designed to produce between 10 and 100 kegs per week. The K10 produces between 20 to 200. On these systems, you can double batch by milling into the top vessel as soon as you've grained out as you come to boil. And that lets you double batch in under 8 hours. So they punch very strongly for their footprint and are very inexpensive for the quantity of beer that you can produce. The footprint needed for a K5 complete is 20 square metres, and for a K10 is 30 square metres. So quite simply, there's no other machine that has the same ability to produce commercial quantities of beer consistently in a small footprint at an affordable price.